in the market for a pond but don't want to spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars to build one? Well, stay tuned to find out how for a little over $100 you can turn this pool into a pond.
The W under you repping the city and swamp. But if you ever enacting a never to hate me, will not hesitate to get raw. Not at all. In closing, let me issue this warning. I'm out the swamp, dog, meaning I'm at my best when it's storming. I make it bug.
So the pool is no longer a pool. The pool, my friends, is now a pond.
So we're
Because here at the Swamp Squad,
fish in there?
yep, we're putting fish in here.
Yes! Finally, I want to
Fish gonna eat these little suckers up. So,
I can't wait the turtles to be in there though.
to start with, I about to go grab these goldfish and get these goldfish in here.
Yeah!
So, be right back when we're doing that. Got it.
Woo! We got him! We got him, guys. That we got all fish going in. They have gone in. The fish has gone in.
They're gonna start finding all the mosquitoes. Alright, so let's see. There's the convict I just put in there. Making his way this way. Convict being trailed by the goldfish. So far it's 4 goldfish and convict cichlid out here. Right now I just got that making some air movement. Got air filter, adding a little bit of air. Got some heaters, bring the temperature up a little bit. And that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for day 1. Next step gonna be getting a submersible pump so I can hook up a filter and get some filtration going. But with the 5 fish in here right now, they'll be cool for a while. It's about a little over 1,000 gallons of water in here. So plenty of dilution. And they can get on to eating up all these mosquito larvae. See what kind of shots we can get.
I have to find some now. I really don't know what to do.
There's goldfish.
Oh, here's some mosquito larvas. Where is that fish?
But that's gonna wrap it up for day 0, day 1 of the pond. Hopefully by the next update I'll be showing you the filter put together and hopefully some more fish in here. So until then.
Sleeping on my city with lyrical by committee. The swamp is stomping them. You know one drama, I mean not any.